If you have felt the cold silence of being ghosted, ignored, or taken for granted, know that this moment was brought to you by divine alignment. Right now, their spirit is picking up on your frequency. By staying present through this entire 5-minute meditation, you are actively shifting from feeling rejected to becoming completely irresistible. Now close your eyes and settle into a comfortable position. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest expand, and slowly release it through your mouth. With every exhale, let go of anxiety and doubt. You are stepping out of lack and stepping into absolute magnetizing power. Feel the heaviness in your chest dissolve as you release the energy of waiting. Notice the shift taking place deep within your core. You are no longer chasing. You are the prize. Now visualize your specific person holding their phone. They feel a sudden, irresistible impulse to reach out to you. The impulse of distance transforms into an overwhelming desire to lavish you with attention, care, and generosity. Picture them looking at you with reverence, eager to gift you with their devotion and open their entire world to you. Now repeat after me in your mind or out loud. They regret the silence. They crave my presence every single day. I am deeply cherished. I am deeply adored. I am showered with unconditional generosity. They go from distant to completely devoted to make me happy. Their heart, energy, and resources flow freely towards me now. They regret the silence. They crave my presence every single day. I am deeply cherished. I am deeply adored. I am showered with unconditional generosity. They go from distant to completely devoted to make me happy. Their heart, energy, and resources flow freely toward me now. It is done. Feel this magnetic frequency locking into your body. Take one last deep breath. Open your eyes and walk forward knowing you are treasured. Now let's anchor this manifestation right now. Type in the comments below, I am their highest priority and they treasure me. Commenting claims this energy as your reality today. And if you are ready to accelerate this manifestation and align their devotion even faster, visit joybyjanell.com right now and claim my free obsession spell. It was crafted to amplify your magnetic aura effortlessly. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.